Hi, I'm Alex Irving. I'm the director here at linemark.com. So you've got a factory or a warehouse and you're looking at getting some line markings done. Perhaps you're looking at a full floor coating like we've got here at Howdens, or potentially you're just looking for the yellow lines that we have down on the side. Now I appreciate that's the end product we're looking for, but perhaps you're also wondering, what is it we have to do to get it to this finished product? What's involved? How are we going to get that project ready for you? And that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. So to start out with, the first thing we're looking at is floor preparation. This is arguably the bulk of the work. It probably makes up around 70% of your initial project. And what it is preparing that floor so that we have the best opportunity for our paints to stick. So there's a couple of ways we can do it. We've got diamond grinding, and then we've got shot blasting for the edges as well. So let's jump over and I'll show you exactly what it looks like when we're carrying out this step-by-step process. I'll talk you through it from start to finish, and hopefully that'll make your project super smooth. Let's get into it. So when we turn up to the site, we're going to be storing our paints and equipment and materials, and ideally what we'd like is a small area in the corner, somewhere that we can cordon off and store all of this equipment out of the way, ready to be used. Diamond grinding is a really good way of removing paints that are already on the surface, and we typically use this if we're doing an infilled walkway. Normally in a walkway that we've got green or blue walkway with yellow banded lines around it. It's a really quick way just to level off the surface, remove the paint, and then we're ready again to start painting on top. With both diamond grinding and shot blasting, there are going to be some trailing leads where we need power, as well as also to run the vacuum as well. Now, whether we're doing an infilled walkway or just a line, a shot blaster is a piece of equipment that we're going to use every single time. It gives us that really sharp straight line that we'll be painting for the yellow lines, or we use it for the defining edge along the ground. Again, we're going to have some trailing leads from this one for the vacuum hoses as well as the power supply, but it is a captive system, meaning that all the shot is recycled back into the machine. If, however, there is any spill or mess, we will clean it up using a magnetic brush to pick up all of that metallic shot, meaning afterwards there's no mess once we've finished. Once we've carried out the shot blasting, the last step for us to do is to just clean up any latent materials that are lying on the ground. So for this one, we're going to scrape any little bits, making sure we've removed every last bit of paint. Then we're going to vacuum everything up before we start taping out, and then we're ready to paint. Tape is always applied along the edge of the line to give us that really sharp finish. So that's the floor preparation from start to finish. That's what we're going to be doing for your warehouse floor before we get the product on the ground. Once we've got that done, it's simply down to the painting, which we're going to send you in the next video. For now, I'm going to leave you to it, and I will see you in the next video.